let's understand what's the meaning of magnetic meridian and geographic meridian. Okay, both these meridians are vertical planes. You can see this person is standing in near two vertical walls. You can see these two vertical walls. These vertical walls can be considered as two vertical plane which extends to very large distance. Okay, this is a short wall, but the actual meridian means you imagine a very large wall. And you can see that these two walls are not parallel or perpendicular, they have a slight inclination with each other. Now in this view, one of them is pointing towards the north-south, geographic north-south direction. For example, if this wall okay, assume that this is pointing towards the north magnetic direction at that place, and the other one is pointing towards the north geographic direction. So one is towards the north geographic, other is towards the north magnetic. Then the plane, the vertical plane which points towards the magnetic direction is called magnetic meridian, and the other one is called the geographic meridian. Both of them can cut Earth into two hemispheres along the axis. Magnetic meridian will cut Earth into two hemispheres along the magnetic axis, and geographic meridian will cut Earth into two hemispheres along the geographic axis. So hereafter, whenever you hear the word magnetic meridian, geographic meridian, visualize this. Okay, this one is along the magnetic and the other one is along the geographic. Fine. Now, where is the magnetic field of Earth? Earth's magnetic field will be parallel, or it will be in this plane, in the magnetic meridian plane. Okay. Now there are so many possibilities. The possibilities are like this. The magnetic meridian at a place is given by this grayed shaded wall. Fine. Now the magnetic field of Earth at that place with respect to that person can be vertically upward. It can be vertically upward at a place. Then this is the south magnetic pole of Earth, which is near the south geographic pole. The magnetic field at a place can be vertically downward with respect to that person, parallel to his body from head to foot. Okay, it can be vertically downward. Then he is standing just over the north magnetic pole of Earth. If the person is somewhere in the southern hemisphere, then the magnetic field line will not be parallel, will not be perpendicular to the ground. It will be at an angle like this, emerging outward. Magnetic field is emerging outward, and you can see that this is the horizontal at that place, and this is making certain angle delta. This is the case of southern hemisphere, generally southern hemisphere. Suppose he is in the northern hemisphere, just like India, then the same field will go into the ground at an angle with respect to that person. And see, this is making an angle delta with the horizontal. So you can mark that angle. This is horizontal, this angle is delta. If he is in the magnetic equator, then the magnetic field line will be parallel to the ground. You can see with respect to his person, it's parallel, perpendicular to his length. This is the magnetic field when you are on the magnetic equator. So visualize, there is magnetic meridian, which is the gray wall. There is geographic meridian, which is the white wall, and the magnetic field will be in the magnetic meridian. And in the magnetic meridian, there are so many possibilities that the field line can be perpendicular into the ground. It's possible. Perpendicular with, see, watch the person, perpendicular downward. Perpendicular downward means which pole is that? That is just above the north magnetic pole. Perpendicular upward. Perpendicular upward means which pole is that one? That is the magnetic south pole. So this is magnetic north pole, this is magnetic south pole, south magnetic pole. If it is inclined and upward, inclined and upward, inclined and upward, B is inclined at an angle delta and upward, you are in the southern hemisphere. If it is inclined and inward, inclined and inward, again making an angle delta with a horizontal, you are in the northern hemisphere, India. And if it is horizontal with respect to the person, see, person is standing on the ground, this is the ground, this is the ground, and this is parallel to the ground, then you are on the magnetic equator, not a geographic, magnetic equator. So this is the basic thing that you need to understand about Earth's magnetic field.